Hi everybody, welcome back. For today's video, we are making an easy dinner, turkey sliders. And we love using ground turkey because it is the leaner and much healthier option. And what better way to accompany sliders than with milkshakes? Our milkshakes are dairy-free. We used 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a tiny pinch of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's make the patties. Now we have 1 pound of ground turkey. We have 2 cloves of garlic chopped. This is 1/4 of a white onion chopped as well, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix it all together. Of course, you're gonna need very clean hands, or like what I like to do is use gloves. That way the meat doesn't get under my nails. Okay. All right, so now we're ready to prepare our sliders, and we have our skillet ready. Take a good amount. Just like that. Perfect.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope that you enjoyed our video on our quick and easy dinner. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell for more fun videos.